The number of individuals and families in need of affordable housing in Wake County continues to increase, but the supply of affordable housing to meet the need does not. The Supportive Housing Program offers a wide range of support services to families and individuals who have reached an impasse in maintaining or assessing safe, decent, affordable housing. Annemarie Marriano is joining us now to talk about the county's housing program. Thanks for joining us, Annemarie.
Thank you, Eric. I'm glad to be here.
First, let's start talking about the goals of the housing program and what do you and your staff do to make that happen?
Sure. Well, the goal of Wake County's housing program is to provide as many varied housing opportunities for low-income families in Wake County. We focus on families that earn less than $30,000 a year as our highest priorities. We found that this market segment is basically priced out of mainstream housing in Wake County, and they have a difficult time affording their rent and other basic needs that they need to sustain their families.
There are some specific groups that you all provide priority services to. Can you tell us about those groups?
We focus on people who are disabled, veterans, homeless individuals and families, and we also do offer services and housing supports to the working poor.
And what things do you do for the people in these groups, and what kind of services that are provided?
One of the primary programs we have is a gap financing program for affordable housing development, and that actually gets new units of housing on the ground or makes existing units affordable to lower income families. We also provide a health and safety repair program for folks who are elderly and disabled to help them stay in their housing and help them from prematurely having to go into nursing homes or assisted living facilities. We provide rental assistance vouchers to homeless people who are also disabled, and typically that disability is a severe and persistent mental illness, and without this rental assistance they would not have a housing option in Wake County. We provide case management and support services either directly through staff or by contracts with nonprofit agencies. We have an employment initiative. We help people at South Wilmington Street Center with job training programs so that they have the skills that they need to leave the center and maintain employment, which will help them pay rent. We offer limited short-term rental assistance, and we do this through our nonprofit agencies. We do it with contracts. Our nonprofit agencies actually provide the service and the assistance. We provide a general housing information session every day at the Human Services Building on Swinburne Street. And we have a ready-to-rent program that teaches people how to be good tenants.
Along with those services that are provided, your office also takes part in some community development projects. Can you talk a little bit about how that works?
Correct. So housing alone doesn't necessarily provide a safe and stable community. So we work with partner towns with this initiative. We'll help install sidewalks, curb and gutter, make street improvements, drainage improvements, and this paired with the housing makes the neighborhood healthy.
Well, Annemarie, thank you for joining us and sharing with the viewers about all that's being done to make sure that everyone has access to safe and affordable housing.
Pleasure. Thank you for having me.